Daegu Jisan Elementary School online English class. Hello everyone. How are you? Today's lesson will be about daily routine and time. First, let's practice telling time. How to tell time. In English, when there is just an hour, we say blah 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 o'clock. So, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 12 o'clock. When there are no minutes, we should say o'clock. What about if there are minutes, like this? Then we say 12:30, 12:30, 6:30, 6:30. Then how can we say this one? 7:15, 7:15. When there are minutes after the hour, we do not use o'clock. So we cannot say 12:30 o'clock. That's wrong. 7:15 o'clock. That's also wrong. Only when there's just an hour, we say o'clock. When there are minutes, we do not use o'clock. Okay, let's now practice. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7:30. It's 7:30. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11:15. It's 11:15. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. What comes next after 9 o'clock? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? Can you do this one on your own? Very good. It's 8:15. What time is it? It's 3:30. Good job, everyone. Now let's move on to practicing the new key expressions. Today's question is what time do you blah blah blah? For example, what time do you brush your teeth? What time do you go to school? These type of daily activities you do every day. In Korean, you say, when we answer this question, we say, I blah 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 at blah 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 time. So, I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8:30. Like this. In Korean, okay, now let's learn a new words. In this picture, what is the girl doing? It's morning time. She's in bed, so she is get up. Get up. We can also say wake up. wake up and get up are the same thing. In Korean, you say, now it looks like the girl is going somewhere. Do you see the clock on the building? It looks like it's 8 o'clock. Where could she be going? Go to school. Go to school. In Korean, in this picture, the girl is learning something. What is she learning? The piano. And she has a teacher. So we say, have a piano lesson. Have a piano lesson. In Korean, you can have many types of lessons. Have an English lesson. Have a math lesson. Have a soccer lesson. Those are other things you can say. Next, in this picture, the girl is doing something with her family. What are they doing? It looks like they are eating food. So we can say, eat dinner. Eat dinner. In Korean, you can change dinner to any other meal. Eat breakfast. Eat lunch. Eat a snack. All of those are okay. Next, here it looks like the girl is studying. She's doing some work for school. What do we call this? Do homework. Do homework. In Korean. And at the end of the day, when you're finished all your work, what do you do? Go to bed. Go to bed. In Korean. Very good. Okay, guys. Now let's practice making some sentences. Please listen and repeat after me. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. What time do you have a piano lesson? I have a piano lesson at 4 o'clock. I have a piano lesson at 4 o'clock. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. What time do you do homework? I do homework at 7:30. I do homework at 7:30. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Okay, now let's do speed speaking. You know what to do. Teacher will ask the question, you have to answer the question. What time do you do your homework? What time do you go to school? What time do you have a piano lesson? What time do you eat dinner? What time do you go to bed? Very good. Now let's practice something new. Today we're going to practice a little bit of reading. Please read the sentence on your own. What time do you go to bed? I go to school at 8 o'clock. What time do you eat dinner? I do homework at 4:30. What time do you get up? I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. Okay, guys, you did a very good job today. I know this video was a little bit longer than usual. I will see you in school. Bye bye.